Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for December 20th through January 1st. For December 20th to 24th, the pattern remains the same as what we had last week, or what we were indicating last week. We have a trough here across Alaska, the Northeast Pacific. We also have a trough below normal heights here across parts of the southern U.S., and we have above normal heights across much of Canada and much of the nation. You're looking at the GFS, and you can see most of the models are in good agreement. You can see this, we're at the 22nd, 24th. So the models are in good agreement with this. We're going to talk about this. First, we're going to talk about the system. Let me see if I can get the maps. Okay. A system tracking into the northwest and the Cascades will bring locally enhanced rain and higher elevation snow to the areas on Thursday into Friday. So here we are Thursday. Here's the system moving in. This is the GFS, and then we get into Friday. You can see here's our 540 line. All right, and then we have, let me see. Okay, the GFS. And then we have the European. It's Thursday, Friday. They're fairly similar. That's the first system. And the Olympics, the Vancouver Island, and Northern Cascades should see the greatest total of precipitation. Precipitation expected to increase across the Northern Rockies, especially by Friday. Light precipitation may move through the Northwest by the beginning of next weekend, but still increase significantly by Sunday and will continue into Monday. All right, now we're going to be... All right, here's Sunday. And then Monday. And then we're going to look at the east now. If I can get the right map. Okay, here's the GFS. And we're going to have a system, you can see right here, moving up along the East Coast. And will spread moisture across much of the eastern U.S. And much of the precipitation will be in the form of rain, but a cold cyclonic flow in the wake of the system support area lake effect snows during the weekend. And the heaviest rainfall is forecast across Florida and to the Carolinas. December 23rd to the 27th. The 23rd. We have a trough here across this region. We also have a trough down here and above normal heights. The greatest height anomalies will be across the northern latitudes and across the northeast. So with this pattern, we're forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%, and then we have below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Now we get to the period for December 28th through January 1st. And the models are unanimously in agreement. You see right here, we're going to have a trough in the west, ridge in the east. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here and a forecast anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees below normal, and above normal temperatures are forecast from the plains to the Atlantic coast, and with anomalies of 6 degrees or more are possible. And for precipitation, above normal precipitation is forecast here and for much of the area east of the Mississippi River, and the probability of occurrence is 45%, and then we have below normal precipitation forecast for much of the Rockies. Probability of occurrence is 35%. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for December 20th through January 1st. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.